eyebrows on fleek. Is this straight? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to come back and tell you that I straightened my hair. This is the first time I've straightened my hair in about 2 years. I use heat here and there, but I haven't straightened my hair in a minute. So I was like, let me straighten my hair, let me trim my ends. I do trim every 3 to 5 months. I went through the process of me, you know, getting it done and her cutting it. So I'll insert pictures here. The main thing that's helped me with my hair would have to be Ayurvedic herbs. And I've been natural for about 5 years. Has it been 5 years? I've been natural for like 6 years. Well, okay. I transitioned in 2012. I cut off all my lax ends in 2013. And I don't even think I have any pictures from that period because my hair was just, it was cut like the shortest it's ever been in my life. I've always had pretty long hair. When I cut the relaxed ends, it was kind of cut in a way where it was already in the awkward stage. Like it wasn't too short, but it wasn't long enough where I felt comfortable enough to rock it. So I pretty much just put in braids and twists and crochet styles for that whole majority of the time. It was in that awkward stage. And it wasn't until, yeah, like 2016, that's where I started wearing my hair out more, just because I was comfortable with the length. But I now that I think about it, maybe I should have rocked it more, but whatever. My best friend's sister, she is a stylist, and she has been doing my hair for majority, not entire, but the majority of my natural hair journey. 2013 up until like 2016 is where I was just mainly protective styling. I mean, I would have breaks where my hair was out, but I didn't really rock it confidently. I didn't really wear it out all that often. And I was in school during that time, so I really didn't have time to really take care of my hair. 2016, I graduated college, Penn State. We are? No? Okay. I graduated Penn State in 2016 and I came back home for a year. Just to work and things like that. It wasn't until 2017 where I got a lot of growth, and that's mainly because I found the beautiful channel of Curly Proverbz, and I also found Ife 360 TV, and they focus mainly on Ayurvedic hair regimens, and that is basically like an ancient Indian hair care regimen that they use to help strengthen their hair and help their hair grow stronger and longer as well. First, I started with the hair growth oil. She has a hair growth oil that's very popular on her channel, and so does Ife 360 TV. So guys, this is the setup. Yeah, it looks like a lot because it kind of is. I've kind of tweaked it a tad bit just because over time I've noticed what my hair likes and what my hair does not like. And then I use this jar. I use this jar to just put everything in. It's just a regular mason jar I got from Marshall's. I think the tag is still on it. For $1.99, okay? So, and I've been using this oil for about a year now, and other like Ayurvedic like masks and things like that. So this is, yeah, so this has been used pretty often. So I use tea tree oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I know the original recipe calls for coconut oil as like the base oil. My scalp don't like coconut oil. My hair strands do, but my scalp does not. So I use avocado oil and grapeseed oil instead. I know another main ingredient is henna. Over time, I've realized me putting too much henna on my scalp, my hair does not like it as much. So I opted to get this Amla oil with henna in it and something else. Like, nothing bad happened to my hair. I just think it was an overload because it started to, I don't know, it just started to react differently when I kept putting the henna in the oil mixture So I was like, all right, let me just get something that already has henna in it, so it's not like directly being infused with everything else. It made sense in my head. Hopefully it made sense to you. Okay, so this is MSM. And I only use like, they call for like a teaspoon. I use maybe half a teaspoon for the MSM because my scalp don't be rocking with the MSM like that. I recently just got this Mahabringraj oil. I apologize if this is not how you say it. This is just a new addition to the oil mixture. And rosemary has always been added to the oil, and then peppermint oil. And then sometimes I add flaxseed oil, but most times I don't. OMG guys, I totally forgot the main ingredient. If you don't have the means to get any or all of these products, I would suggest just getting fenugreek seeds, some type of oil, mixing this. This is like the bomb.com. This is what really has accelerated my hair growth. This is it. Get it. I've been using it for like a year and a half, and at least I got like maybe, I want to say 3 to 4 inches of growth in like the first 6 months, and then as time went on, you know, it kind of like slowed down a bit. But I feel like that has really strengthened my hair. Henna has strengthened my hair a lot. Henna glosses has strengthened my hair. Shikaikai. I use aloe vera powder. What else do I use? Aloe vera powder, cassia, Jamaican black castor oil, of course. Of course, I use bentonite clay and all of that, sometimes for like clay washes and things like that, but mainly just keeping it simple. Just using the oil, massaging it throughout my scalp, using only 1 or 2 hair products, like just for twisting and things like that, and that's really it. Keeping my hair heavily moisturized with water, henna glosses, henna mask, bentonite clay mask. Those have really sped up my hair growth process, and deep conditioning also has, that has sped it up. But Ayurvedic, like, let me tell you, that is the stuff. You really need to get on it. I don't know why people don't know about it. I've been telling everybody about it. Like, that's all I talk about. The hair growth oil is just beautiful. If you guys don't already know about Curly Proverbz, you need to hop on her channel. You need to hop on Ife 360 TV channel. I was like low-key following Ife's, she had like a year Ayurvedic challenge where you just only use, I believe you only use Ayurvedic like treatments and things like that, and she has a whole bunch of recipes on her channel that you should definitely check out. But oh my gosh, I am never going back. I mean, I still use store-bought stuff clearly, but that is just what has really expedited my growth in my hair, and it's so shiny and soft, and I'm just so happy. I did record some of me, you know, getting it straightened because I haven't seen my hair like, I feel like I'm in high school because I used to, when I was transitioning, I would straighten my hair a lot, and I just always mainly had straight hair, of course, because I was relaxed. So I feel like I'm in high school with my hair like this. So my hair right now, since it was cut or trimmed, it's like maybe here, and then let's see, this is where it's at now. I don't know if you can see it. So yes. Ooh. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's so long. Oh my gosh, Wimberlin, your hair is so beautiful.
I know. I've been waiting for this moment.
For so long.
All right, that's
don't understand the loudness.
Sit, Hazel. Sit. Sit.
oh, you was more. Don't do more. No, I didn't want
Hi.
This is weird. My lips are chapped.
Pop syrup. Pop.
Actually, it's fine. Okay, now good.
Oh my gosh.
She's putting it on her YouTube channel.
I'm really good.
I like
Yeah, yeah. Hey, listen to my proposition. Baby, you got no competition.